This is Dad Random, and what I have for you today is the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo, and this is the replacement for the original Osmo Pocket. So here it is. Let's open it up. Plastic on, and here we go. DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. Here we go. And there it is, just like a storybook. You have accessories, the Pocket 2, and accompanying the Pocket 2 are these accessories. There's the instruction manual. So let's put this down. Take a look at the Pocket 2 really quick. I can already tell with the case, it's very similar to the original. Maybe a little bigger. Now this is a hard plastic case. The original had more of a soft plastic shell. Looks like they've got a little bit of packing. It feels a lot like the original. There's a lot of information out there about this, and it feels the same. It feels much the same. There's the gimbal cover. Just take off some of these plastic. Yeah, we'll leave that one on there. Let's get the camera lens cover off. Very nice. Get a close up there of the lens right there. And here's the cover that's over the top of the screen. Man, I have no. There we go. So there it is. Let's see if it has any. Let's see if it has any boot up power. There we go. Look at that. We'll go through the skip 5 times remaining. Use DJI MIMO to activate, and we'll activate that in a little bit. There, of course, is the accessory bar. Go ahead and shut this down. Oh, we just took a picture. There's the power button. So we're used to this one, but as you can see right there, it tells you that that's the power button now. There it is right there. Skip 4 times remaining. Old power button. Alright, so let's put that down. So the accessories that this comes with, go ahead and open up this box. This is a dead cat. Looks like a lens, and this is an adapter, a USB-C adapter. Go ahead and put this down right there. It's a lens, USB-C adapter, dead cat. This is the. This looks like the. Let's put that on. This is the smaller version of the thumbstick. So it actually has 2 buttons on it. You can see that there's a joystick and an action button. Put that on there, right there. There, so we can go like that. And there you go, that's the joystick. And that's the mode switch. Pretty nice. I'm used to using that one. I keep trying to hit that because that button is usually what turns it off. There we go, let's put that down. USB, this is the Apple connector, or the and cables. There's all your cables. USB-C cables, USB cable, and lanyard. Paperwork over here. And let's go ahead and check out the box. Put the case right there. I like the open bottom of the case, which will allow it to expand quite easily. So this right here is the expansion handle right there. So this will basically, when this piece comes out right here, so this is the piece, this is basically your lock head, and then bam. So that gives you your length. And now we have a 1/4 inch adapter. And so this is the do-it-all handle. It says, before detaching the DJI Pocket 2 do-it-all handle from the DJI Pocket, pull down the release latch on the handle. So that's the release latch right there. And that unlocks it. Very nice. Just like that. That is going to be handy. I really like the fact that you now have, like that, you now have the full gimbal control. That is just very nice, very sweet. And then of course you've got your mode switch again. That is so nice. Shut that down again. Alright, let's just move everything up here. Put that right there. Here is the microphone. This is the wireless mic, and of course this is the dead cat for the wireless mic. I'm going to go ahead and take that out. You can see that. So this will be our wind muff. Take that out of there. Believe me, this will get some serious use. And there's a, you see right there, there's a connecting snap right there, so you can snap that on so it won't come off. Now, I don't think this is very big. I mean, this is the one I'm using for the video compared, so it's going to be much smaller. And then you got the clip on. So we put that right there. Here is the 1/4 inch for, this is the regular bottom. That's the 1/4 inch bottom, so you can go, so you can basically go like this. Take this off, and now you have a 1/4 inch mount. So let's see, which way am I going? Yeah, this way. Right there. So now you've got a mount, and that's very handy. There's been a lot of times, and you can still connect in with the USB-C for charging. So this is literally probably one of the most important things that they added to this. snap on. Let's see if there's any release lever. This one's gonna have to, oh, there it goes. Snap that back on right there. And set that down right there. Just turn that around a little bit. And last but not least, now this is metallic. It's a metallic 1/4 inch tripod, mini tripod mount. Very nice. So that'll fold away like that. And set that there. Alright, so there we go, guys. There is the DJI Pocket, DJI Pocket 2, and all of its components. A huge step up from the original Pocket or Osmo Pocket. Yes. All right. Really exciting. Should be a massive, massive success and addition to anybody's camera and vlogging equipment. So awesome. For Dad Random and the DJI Pocket 2. Brought to you by Pocket 1. Thank you, Pocket 1. You've served me well.